Today is officially the day we're picking up Yoghurt and I'm so excited. If you don't know who Yoghurt is, that's our new ragdoll kitten. We're so overly excited and we just had to open up this cupboard to get her cat carrier out. Rouge is not excited, but I'm sure you'll love her in the end. So cute. Hello.
Yeah, exploring.
That was a dry food, yeah.
I've got some milk and some treats, but maybe we need to get some paste. You've got no system of.
So now we have Yoghurt into the flat. I thought I'd put one of these little socks in with her in her crate. So I'm going to give it to Boosh when she's finished her lunch. And I'm going to see how she reacts. I think she'll be fine, but I don't really know. She wasn't really on it very much.